Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Remove the SIM and inspect contacts, then reinsert it firmly so the phone reads it. Once done, toggle airplane mode or reboot to reset the radio. This often restores data. Also check your Airtel plan status and account balance, because no data allowance or a suspended plan is the usual cause. Make sure the APN name matches the carrier settings, since a wrong APN blocks mobile data. Now you dig into APN and network mode to fix deeper issues. Open your device APN settings and either correct or create an entry. Set APN to Airtel's APN type default, SUPL and protocol to IP4/IP6 so apps and tethering both work. Next, set network mode to 4G/3G preferred to avoid roaming on weak bands. If changes don't apply, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. This removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but solves stubborn misconfiguration. To finish, verify connectivity by loading a web page and running a speed test. Watch for messages like 0 KB or roaming only, which guide the next step. If the problem persists, move your SIM to another handset to determine whether the issue is the device or the SIM/account. Finally, contact Airtel support with your IMEI and SIM ICSID and describe the steps you took. This speeds their diagnosis. One tip, keep a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.